Morning ritual. Hype up. Outside. Let's hype up, bro. Go! Buying a lot of fish, bro. Yeah, I did the wet market, brother. Buying some vegetables for these people, bro. We got the fish going on, and we about to leave this place, bro. About to go down that place over there. There's the supplies for that guy holding the plastic bag. We about to go. This is it. That's the place. Preparing the firewood out there downstairs, so we can cook this good meal, brother. So we just finished prepping this food. There's Alex out there, high school friends. Here's the fish we're gonna be cooking today for these people, man. And it's gonna be good, bro. Check it out. We got our ingredients out here. We're about to cook this fish, bro. We got the rice out here. Nalagyan natin ng asin para mas lumabas ng flavor na. Pag fish ang lulutuin nyo, guys, lalo na pag ganito kadami, kailangan pinakahuli yung fish kasi mabilis lang siya maluto para siyang gulay. Pero since itong gulay na to, kailangan natin siyang palambutin. Kailangan mauna siya kesa dun sa isda. It's so easy, it's crazy, brother. Let's go! Gagawin muna natin, i-boil muna natin yung water, yung broth na ginagawa natin para at least pag tinikman natin, safe yung lulutuin natin kasi yung tubig kasi na to galing lang dun eh. Pakita mo yun. Wala talaga silang dito. Wala talaga silang malinis na tubig dito. So, yung gagawin natin, kailangan muna mag-endure ng distillation process yung pagluluto natin. So, pag tinikman natin siya, safe. Kasi kill it with fire, brother. Same with the bacteria. Pero while it's doing so, lagay na natin yung mga broth cubes natin para at least magkaroon na ng flavor yung dish. Luto na yung fish natin, guys. We're about to add these vegetables in. And that's about it. Dahon na sili. ...30 seconds para lang maluto tong gulay na to. Tikman natin kung ano lasa. This is 100 pieces of fish. Solid. Oh. Look at that. Dito lang nila for the food.
Thank you, Lord Jesus' name.
Thank you. Thank you.